Namaste, friends. Hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Do you have a small child, baby child, more than 6 months, or 8 months, or 9 months? Does he or she suffering with the delayed dentition, means late eruption of teeth compared to the normal age range? Usually, the first tooth appears around 6 to 10 months. But in some children may develop teeth later. And I want to tell you one thing only, that homeopathy gives a better result in this case. The main causes are hereditary tendency, family history of late teething, nutritional deficiency, calcium or vitamin D, rickets, hypothyroidism, prematurity or low birth weight. During the childbirth, if the weight is less, then it may be chronic illness or weak immunity of the child or mother, developmental delay. In this case, now you should see the sign and symptoms. Late appearance of teeth, weak or slow growth, delayed walking or milestone, excessive sweating on head during sleep, irritability or restlessness, poor appetite, recurrent colds or infection. Now, some red line symptoms you should know. When you need medical evaluation, no teeth 13 to 15 months, poor growth or developmental delay, bone deformities, bow legs, wrist widening, severe weakness. These are very much red line symptoms where you should take the medical support very immediately. Now we are coming on the point, homeopathic medicines. Calcarea carb, Calcarea carbonica, most common remedy in this situation. Late teething with delayed walking, sweating on head during sleep, clubby, fair, flabby child, chubby, fair, flabby child. Keep it in mind, fearful or sluggish nature. He is fearful. These are the symptoms of calcarea carb medicine. Next medicine is calcarea phosphorica or calcarea phos. In this medicine, baby is thin, weak, delayed dentition with poor bone development. Bone development is also very poor. Always desire to be carried. Irritable, dissatisfied. Calcarea phos baby is dissatisfied and always wants to be carried. These are the symptoms of calcarea frost. Now we are coming to the third medicine, that is Silesia. Very late dentition, weak immunity, recurrent infections, thin, delicate child, slow development. These are the symptoms of Silesia. One great medicine, that is a Brita carb. In Brita carb, children are marked developmental delay, shy nature, timid child, enlarged tonsils with delayed dentition. These are the symptoms of Brita carb. Now we are coming to chamomilla, a great remedy for the children. In chamomilla, the teething with irritability and crying. Child always cries. Child wants to be carried constantly. One cheek is red, other is pale. Now, I want to tell you the general care. Adequate calcium and vitamin D nutrition. Sunlight exposure. Proper balanced diet. Pediatric evolution if significant delay. Friends, that's all for today. Be with me, and I would like to request you to share it with your nearest and dearest ones. One more thing, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Long live Homopathy, long live Handyman.